One of the many differentiating factors of a Tesla is the app that connects to your car. So you can use the app as a car key, and it also has so many other features. So today I'm going to be giving you a Tesla app review and then just going over all the features of the app. So the first thing to do is download the Tesla app off of your app store. So it is a free app, but you can't really do anything with it unless you have a Tesla to connect it to. So I wouldn't really suggest downloading it unless you just want to check it out, but it doesn't really do anything unless you have a car to go with it. But it does actually show you, once you've connected your car, your exact model and color at the top as a little avatar on top of the app, which is pretty cool. And then it also says the name of your car, how much it's actually charged, and then the status of the car, so you can see mine is parked. So what's really cool about the little avatar is that if you open the door of your actual car, the little avatar will also open its door. So it's just mimicking the same functions that your real car is doing, but on the app. So this is such a fun little feature. And also, if you think maybe you left the windows down or something and it's raining outside, you can just quickly check on your phone instead of having to go run outside and go check to see if your windows are up or not. So the app actually acts like your car key. So as I approach the car, it will become unlocked. Just like that. And then once I close it and walk away from a certain distance, it will actually lock the car as well. So the next icon is the climate icon. So if you see it on the main app, you can actually see what the interior temperature is of your car at that time. So this is probably the most used function for me, especially because it's been pretty cold the last couple months. So you're able to click on that icon and then it brings up the option to turn on the climate in your car. So let's say it's really cold outside and you want to warm up your car before, you can actually set the temperature to the exact temperature you want it to be. You can also turn on your heated seat as well, which you guys probably know if you've been watching my videos that's my favorite function. So I definitely turn on the heated seats. Now let's say it's icy outside and you need to defrost your car, you can also do that. So that is just the bottom right button, so you hit that and it starts to defrost your car as well. This is honestly such a useful function, and it definitely beats running outside to go turning on your car to keep it warm, running back in the house, waiting for a while, and then running back out to your car to actually leave. So totally beats that old school process, and it's one of my favorite features. So next is the controls selection. So here you can vent your windows. Let's say it's really hot outside and you want to put your windows down a little bit, then you can hit that button. You can also flash your lights, honk your horn, open the trunk and frunk. And lastly, you can enable driving without the key. So you can touch that and someone can they have to drive within 2 minutes of touching that button. But let's say someone just needs your car, to move your car really quickly and you don't want to hand them your phone as the key. You can just hit that button and enable it, but they do have to get in the car and start driving within 2 minutes for that to be able to be used. So then you also have the valet mode. So this enables someone to come in and drive your car, but without seeing any type of personal information. All they're allowed to do is drive the car. And then the next one is Sentry mode. So if you click that, basically you need to be parked. You click Sentry mode. Let's say you're parking in a really tight garage or you have really important things in your car. This enables all of the cameras to turn on and start recording if someone gets too close to your car. So if you're in a sketchier type of area and feel a little unsure about whether or not someone's going to approach your car, then definitely turn on Sentry mode just in case. And then the final mode is speed limit mode. So you can actually set a max speed limit. So let's say you have your kids who are driving the car. You don't want them to drive your Tesla too fast. So you can actually set a speed. And then when that person is driving the car cannot go over the speed that you set. So next up now is charging. So in the charging selection, you're able to see how much longer you have on your charge. You're also able to set the max you want your car to be charged at. And then also you can open the charging port if it is not open yet. If you're not currently charging, you can also see what nearby superchargers there are and also how many are available. So if you are in need of a charge coming up, then it's a quick and useful way just to see where the closest place you can go to get a charge is. So then the next couple I'm actually just going to skip over. So the location just tells you where the location of your car is. It shows it where it's parked. And then you have the upgrades, which if you want to purchase full self-driving or any other upgrades that are available, that is the place that you can do that. So now the next one is service. So if something is wrong with your car and it's not an immediate need, then you go into the app, you click service, and then it gives you a list of options that could be wrong with your car. So then you make your selection on the closest thing that is wrong with your car, and then Tesla will set up an appointment for you in order for a service technician to come out and take a look at your car. So the final option is roadside assistance. So this is for an immediate need, something like you have a flat tire or your car won't start. This is not something like you're stuck in snow. So make sure to check over the Tesla policy to see what is covered and what is not covered. But here, if you click it, it's something where they will actually send someone from Tesla service to you immediately in order to take a look at your car. So this is sometimes covered under warranty, and so you just have to check to see if your car is covered under the warranty at that time. So now let's talk about the app shortcuts. So there are 3 app shortcuts here. The only one I really use is the lock and unlock feature, but they also have a feature where you can open the frunk, which I never open the frunk, to be perfectly honest. So not sure that that's the most useful shortcut button. I would have preferred if this button was actually open the trunk, but it's open the frunk. And then the farthest left one is the climate button. So if you click that one, it will just remember what the last climate was that you set and basically activate that. So if you want a more specific climate, then you have to go into the climate tab and adjust. But if you just want something quick, then you can tap the shortcut button. Okay, so now just a few more buttons. So the top right one is the loop box. So if you click here, you can see how many free Supercharger miles you have left. So if you are in the market of purchasing a new Tesla, please feel free to use my referral code down in my description to get 1,000 free Supercharger miles. And then also thank you to everyone who has already used my referral code. I really appreciate it, and I hope that you guys enjoy your new Tesla. And then the final button is the settings button in the top left corner. This is something I never personally use. It's where any messages that come through from Tesla go, your account settings, your notification settings, but honestly, this is a place that I just never personally touch. So this concludes the Tesla app review. I really do enjoy having my phone as an extension of my car. I hope that other car companies actually do this as well. It just makes sense and it's so useful. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe as I post videos on Tesla every Thursday and Saturday. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up down below. That really helps out my channel. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.